Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of How to Draw. Today, we are going to be drawing a, let me see here. Oh yeah, the script says we're drawing furries. Okay? If you don't know what that is, well, let me just give you a little tutorial. I don't know what to say. Okay, so basically, it's a person or a thing that is basically, well, with the person, it's the person that likes anthropomorphic animals. But if it is the thing, it is a anthropomorphic animal. Yeah. I'm sure you've seen one before. Like, come on. Classic Disney films. Or Zootopia, for goodness sake. Like, come on. Alright, anyway. Try not to make this video long, because I don't like it when I have to take an hour to let this thing upload. So I'm gonna get straight to it. See, I always start with a good, well, it depends. If I'm trying to make a wolf, I will mainly use more of a cone, a rounded top of a cone. Like, think about a Diglett, but it just get, like, the Pokemon Diglett, but, like, rounder at the top. There we go. See? Can you say that? I don't know if you can. I can't actually see anything, because I can't. Anyway. So, if you can't see that, I'm going to make my lines a little darker for you. And in that case, I will get a darker, softer pencil. There we go. Oh. And this time, I'm not drawing with one hand, so I can actually steady my drawing style. It's pretty cool. Now that I got the stand and this nice microphone that I got there, it's pretty cool. Anyway, since we have this, we're going to want to split the character into parts, because you don't want to just go blindly. You want to make sure that you are seeing this. Of course, I just made the angle like slant. I didn't mean to make it slant, sorry. Meant to make it straight. Now, what this does is it makes it so that you know where the eyes are. Now, a great artist once told me that in order to make a beautiful character, you have to have the perfect placement for stuff. So you're going to want to draw one line through the middle, a very light line, because you don't want to scratch up your artwork and make it, and it also makes it easier to erase later on. Now, what you want to do is put one line through the center and one line through basically half of your artwork. Then what you want to do is make another one that is half of that. So once you've made the half line of the half, so a quarter line for the most part, once you've made the quarter line, this is going to be where the nose goes, or where the muzzle is for the most part. And then the first line, the half line, is where the eyes go. Now you might be wondering, well, it's a furry character, where are the ears? And I'm not a professional with ears, but you know, what I've noticed from wolf ears and while looking at photos and all that, is that they kind of have roundish ears. They're not like bear ears. They're kind of a bit more pointy than that, but they're more rounded out than like a fox, where a fox is like a triangle. And this is more of a like that. Sorry if I'm rocking this. Sorry. Anyway, this, this is just the basic shape of the ear. Sorry if I'm getting quiet. I'm not a perfect commentator on artwork because I tend to listen to music a lot when I'm doing art. But anyway, you want to make those as best as you can the same. Now you might think, oh wow, that looks like crap. Well, it does, doesn't it? So we're going to make it not look like crap by putting eyes on it. And now you see, I usually do just a basic sketch on my sketchbook here, and then I'll use my computer to digitally put in all the colors and just fine up the lines. So if you want to try that, I would suggest a perfect, like a beautiful art program is Procreate, or what I use is a cheaper, more free version, which is called trying to remember. It's, I don't know. You look up art programs. They're good. They're really nice, and they give you a lot of sketchbook. That's what it's called. Sorry, just had a revelation here. Sketchbook is what I use, and it's basically just a cheaper, and it's free, by the way, but it's a cheaper version of the program that my father uses with his professional artwork. Anyway, let's get on with it. Now eyes. Now you see, most people use like cute little kawaii, I like to call them eyes, and I have used this before, and they do look very cute. You see, they're more of a like this kind of shape of an eye. See, and that of course this looks more angry, but if you rounded this up more, all that, then you would get like cuter stuff. Now I am going to go ahead and make a more detailed eye. Well, not detailed, but okay, you know what? You know what I mean. I'm basically gonna make a more realistic eye. That's what I was trying to say. And in that, I will use more of a, it's kind of a, trying to remember, I don't have any reference pictures, so I'm just trying to remember what a wolf eye looks like. One moment, I just reminded myself of something. I have a giant encyclopedia of animals by David McIndonald. By the way, great book. You should go buy it. I'm not sponsored by him at all, but you know, I wish. I'm not even sure he's alive at this point. It's a pretty old book. So, never mind. I am not going to use my realistic eye, because I thought, why would I do that when I could just easily draw something that I know how to draw? So we're gonna go ahead, because the thing is that with these more cartoonish eyes, they're a lot bigger, as you could probably tell, a lot bigger than normal eyes. And the reason behind that is because, sorry, I'm getting really distracted here because I have to do artwork and also commentate. I'm gonna get better, I swear. Yep. Alright, so what I did right there was just measuring it scaling it to make sure that it was the correct size, because I wanted to make it pretty much the same as the other one. Sorry if I moved that. I shouldn't have done that. One moment.